Hi guys. So first of all, a very happy Diwali and a very prosperous New Year. Since it's Diwali season, so I thought why not share with some of my Diwali bags that I will be carrying around this year. And without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Let's start with the first bag which I gave a new look this year. Now I got this bag in Rishikesh and I bought this bag almost like 7 years back and I've barely used it once or twice. Lately I have again fell in love with this type of small coin pouches, and yes, I will be using this Diwali. So what I plan to do is this is a chain. Again, I have added my own chain, and this is not the chain that comes with it. Came with this chain, but which is like a pathetic piece, so let's not talk about that. So maybe I will be keeping this chain because this is quite long and can help me sling, or maybe I will be using this chain and give it more like a fun look. Also, I might add some trinkets here and there to give it a more jazz. And this bag is easily available right now. I mean, I bought this is I think for 1800 or so, but that was like 7 years back, and that time these bags were really rare. But now I think it's around 400 bucks, 500 bucks is easily available. You can, if you're in Mumbai, I am sure you will get it easily in Colaba market. So yes, that's my first Diwali bag that I will be carrying for sure. Moving on to my second bag, which is on similar lines. It is this again. These bags are made of stone and they're so beautiful. I mean, these are turquoise and over here, and the color is different here. But nonetheless, I love this piece. Obviously, the reason I bought this piece, in spite of having that, this can hold my phone very comfortably. In fact, it can hold a lot more of things. Again, I have added my own strand, to give it more like, a more posh look, to give it a more, to make a more rich look. And yes, these Charles & Keith. So generally, these Charles & Keith straps I have added to them. So generally, what I do when a bag of mine starts to tear, or if it's PU, it starts peeling out. What I do is generally I keep the accessories, I remove the accessories and I keep it with me, and then I add it here and there. So yes, this is my second bag. Again, I bought it from Colaba market. I bought it around a year back, and I got this merely for 400 rupees. How cool is that? And this bag, definitely I'll be carrying this Diwali, one of the parties for sure. Moving on to another bag, which is something not at all bling. You will be like, Swati, I mean, why do you have this bag for Diwali when not bling? Well guys, sometimes we don't always want to carry a bling, and sometimes when you have to go for a day out, like just to give mithais to people, hand over mithais to your friends or your family members. So daytime, I feel this will be such a good clutch. Also, you can customize it. Let me show you how I plan to customize this. And here you go. Here you have your own sling for daytime. How cool it is. I mean, just a nice white kurti, and this would be such a perfect outfit for the day, isn't it? So this is my third bag for Diwali festivities. This bag I got it from Accessories in London. So I don't think so it's available, but something like that will definitely be available in the market. So yes, if you want something like a day bag, do check it out. Do search for it. These bags are called bamboo bags or rattan bags. Google it, you will definitely find some. Moving to my next bag is this clutch. It is so beautiful. I mean, just see how intricate the work is. Isn't this absolutely stunning? So I got this bag from this brand, Nomad. This is a brand, and actually these straps are of this bag, but I do not like to carry it with the strap. I like to carry it as a clutch like this. It is a little expensive bag because how beautiful the work is. I think I paid around 9 or 10,000 rupees, but absolutely no regret. It's a stunning statement piece, and definitely a night Diwali party bag. So that is my next piece. Moving on to another day bag. This is the simple day bag from the brand H&M. I mean, it's quite a famous tote. It is inspired by the Dior book tote, and I love how stunning it is. So again, you would be like, why would someone want to carry this bag for Diwali? I mean, this is a day bag, like I said. And you know, sometimes you want to stuff it with the mithais and diyas and things like that. And you know how amazing and spacious this is. You actually stuff a lot and just go out handing out as gifts. So I felt this will be such a perfect day bag for Diwali. And finally is my Dior bag. Again, so guys, honestly, since I have only been honest with you guys in this channel, this is not a real bag. This is a fake copy bag. And I bought this I think 3 or 4 years back. I went to one of the stores which used to sell a lot of copy, and I fell in love with the way this bag looked. After that, somehow I could never come in peace with it. I never take this bag out, and I don't come in peace with it. Reason being, I feel like a fraud. I mean, I cannot carry a fake bag is what I feel. And whoever can carry, like, really kudos to them. I mean, when it comes to bag, I love them all. But somehow I hesitate when I carry a fake bag. Anyway, since I own this bag, I thought, you know, since I already own it, and I'm not ashamed of telling someone that it's fake. I mean, if someone comes and asks me, I'm definitely going to tell them that it's a fake bag. So I'm not ashamed of telling it's fake. But, you know, till then, meanwhile, just, you know, make hay when the sun shines. So just use this bag is what I've decided. So this Diwali, I will be taking this bag out. I mean, guys, even though it's fake, I mean, I can really imagine how amazing the original is going to be. Like these chains, look at this chain. The details in this chain, they're so amazing. And this Dior, and I just love how this works. I mean, definitely, you know, I mean, this it's a beautiful bag. And it will be such a statement piece to carry it around. I plan to carry it like a clutch because these chains are not that comfortable, you know, because it's quite heavy. So not that comfortable to carry it as sling. But I'm definitely gonna be carrying it like a hand clutch with like a hand clutch like this. What do you guys feel? Awesome, right? Yeah, I mean, it's fake, so what? It's still pretty, right? Yes, guys, these are all my Diwali bags for this year. Once again, happy Diwali. Bye, take care.